Welcome to InfoTube USA. Today, we're diving right into China's amazing plans for lunar colonization and also its cutting-edge method of developing environments on the moon using 3D printing technology. Over the years, China has been making considerable strides in space expeditions. Among their major achievements was the Chang'e 5 mission in 2020, which brought back lunar soil examples to Earth, a first for the country. China's ultimate objective is to land an astronaut on the moon by 2030, and also they have a series of objectives leading up to that, including Chang'e 6, 7, and 8. The Chang'e 8 objective, prepared for around 2028, has numerous important purposes. It will certainly examine the lunar environment and mineral structure to understand the moon's sources better. Most significantly, the objective will discover whether 3D printing modern technology can be utilized on the lunar surface area to construct structures from the moon's materials. Wu Weiren, a scientist at the China National Area Management, described the significance of using lunar products, specifying, "If we desire to stay on the moon for a very long time, we require to establish terminals by using the moon's very own products. By constructing environments using lunar dirt, we can significantly minimize the price as well as the intricacy of moving materials from Earth to the moon." China is eager to begin building a lunar base using moon dirt within the following 5 years. Throughout the Chang'e 8 goal, they intend to send a robot to create lunar soil bricks, which will certainly act as the structure for future construction projects on the moon. The race to establish visibility on the moon has magnified in the last few years, especially between China and the USA. The Artemis II objective, prepared by NASA and Canada's Room firm for late 2024, will certainly be the first human flyby of the moon in years. This reveals the growing global rate of interest in lunar expeditions as well as colonization. There are numerous advantages to using 3D printing for lunar construction. These consist of minimized costs, faster construction times, as well as the ability to adjust designs to match specific requirements. However, there are likewise difficulties and unidentified factors when it concerns 3D printing on the moon. The distinct lunar atmosphere and also the requirement to create new technologies are just a few of the barriers we need to overcome. China's ambitious plans for lunar emigration, using 3D printing technology to construct habitats, can have substantial effects on the future of space expeditions. If effective, it might lead the way for lasting habitation on the moon and open up new opportunities for scientific study and also room tourism. As with any type of innovative venture, opinions on lunar emigration and also making use of 3D printing modern technology are different. Some individuals are excited about the possible advantages, while others have issues regarding the costs, environmental impacts, as well as possible disputes that can develop from the contending rates of interest on the moon. Now it's your turn. We would certainly love to hear your ideas on China's preparation for lunar emigration and the possible ramifications for the future of the area expedition. Do you assume 3D printing modern technology is crucial to sustainable lunar hab action? What other obstacles do you assume we'll deal with in establishing a presence on the moon? Share your viewpoints in the remarks section below. China's enthusiastic plans for lunar colonization entail utilizing 3D printing innovation to develop habitats utilizing lunar products. This cutting-edge approach could change area expeditions as well as lead the way for long-lasting habitation on the moon. With the global race for lunar emigration home heating up, the coming years will be critical in determining which nations will develop a presence on the moon as well as how this will influence the future of space exploration. Thank you for joining us today on InfoTube USA as we explored China's preparation for lunar colonization and also the use of 3D printing technology. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fascinating content on a wide range of topics. Thank you again.